Mahal, it's almost a year with you. A year full of love, laughter, smile, tears, fights, sadness, and joy. And with those times, you have made me a better person. A person that is more responsible, happy, loved, goal-oriented, focused, humble, and God-fearing. Your presence alone makes my world a better place. Hearing your voice makes my mind calm. Holding your hand makes myself safe. Hugging you gives me peace. Kissing you gives me love. To be honest, there are no words that can describe how you treat me and love me. You treated and loved me so right that it changed my life and gave me a direction and purpose. Mahal, I would like to apologize for all the wrong, shortcoming, dark moments, tears, fights, and misunderstandings that we had went through. I know these words are not enough to heal the things that has happened, but I hope our love to each other will win over them. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo, pagmamahal, pag-uunawa, pag-a-adjust, pagsusuyo, paglalambing, sa pagbe-baby, sa pag-aalaga, sa pag-asikaso, sa pagtahan, sa tawanan, sa tampuhan, sa away, sa tahimik moments, sa tanggap, sa pagbibigay ng lakas, sa gala, sa libre, sa mga regalo, sa pagsama mo sa akin sa buhay. Hindi ko alam anong tamang salita para magpasalamat sa mga nagawa mo para sa akin. Ang dami kong pagkukulang sa iyo pero sinuklian mo ng kabutihan. I am very happy that we are about to be a year as a couple. We may not understand each other sometimes, but we choose to say and choose to love each other. I am very proud of where we are right now. I may not know what the future holds, mahal, but I know for sure that whatever comes, I will choose you na palagi. Thank you for everything, my mahal asawa ko. Nagpapadaba, Paul John.
Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi